Hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and we are on our way to Marco Island. Never been to Marco Island before in my entire life. However, my sister-in-law spent the week down here. I heard they had a good time. So the wife and I, she's there. I was thinking. So she's gonna. Someone said we should do more videos of our conversations. So this is our conversation. What I say to her when she sleeps. So we're on our way to Marco Island. We're checking out, maybe take it through some shops, and show you what the beaches are like, and show you what we do at Marco Island. We're taking the dog too. She's in the back seat. So come join us, because you've just entered the coolest life, or is this the sleepy life? Well, we just got out here. We're actually not even on the island. I don't know what this area is called. It's just off the island of Marco Island, and we're going to be going there pretty soon. And we went to a little place called BurgerFi. See it right there. So we're going to check it out. Never been here. I said for a franchise, everything is a la carte. There are no combo meals. So I got the regular burger, and you're going to see me take a bite of it in just a minute. My wife's in the restroom. But they brought our food already. So these are the fries. They look delicious. Those are good. These are her fries, so I might eat them all before she gets back. And that is the burger. I'll take a bite of it once we get it situated. These chicken fingers are okay, huh? Mm-hmm. The burger, which you can't see because it's getting washed. Oh, there it is, just like that. It looks huge. That is really not that big, but it looks huge.
Fries are great.
Yep, tastes like a burger. It's good. It's not Five Guys worthy. They still the tomato. Probably should have got some napkins around here somewhere, huh? I don't see it on our tray. Better get some. Such a beautiful view across the parking lot. The fries are good. Oh yeah. What kind of sauce is that?
Garlic aioli.
Garlic aioli sauce. The extra right there. Mmm. Those are good. Holy crap. Yeah, we'll have to check out BurgerFi next time we're someplace that has a BurgerFi. Burger's good. I noticed on the side of my cup it says, it's got some funny words. Check it out. Can you read that? Natural burgers, as opposed to the unnatural kind. The heck? What's an unnatural burger? I don't know. But the Amber Block is good.
What hamburger place can you eat a beer?
Yeah, there's not many hamburger places that serve beer. This has got like 5 different drafts. I may have some bottles in there too, but all I saw was draft. Good stuff. This is banana churro.
Banana churro.
It's banana custard. Or is it a shake?
But custard with a half a banana, whipped cream, and 2 churros.
2 churros. Not really hard and crunchy either. That's probably the best churro I've ever had in my entire life. I've had a lot of these.
They just fried them. Fresh.
Oh, they make them fresh here, huh? Wow, that is so. It's so delicious.
Did you try the banana?
I'm gonna cry when I eat. It's so delicious. What is this? This has got. It's a shake, but it's got custard in it, and it's really good. It's thick. It's thick at the bottom. And the dog loves it. Okay. See her down there? Yeah. She wants a bite of it. I'm not giving her a bite of it, but her mother did give her a piece of it. She can see me. Sure. Mother did give her some of what was on that lid.
Yep, she likes it clean. Here, what?
Oh, it's delicious. You wouldn't like it. It is delicious though.
There she goes.
BurgerFi. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
She likes her milk products, so we don't give them any to her, that's for sure.
Nice.
We shall return, BurgerFi. We shall return. So now we're here at Marco Island. The other place was Naples, actually. Of course, I'll probably put it in the caption on me. But now we're at Marco Island in one of those t-shirt shops. We'll buy me a t-shirt. Yeah, that one. I don't know what she's gonna get. This one was actually on the sale rack. I guess it's got some spots on it somewhere, but it's like $5. Yeah, I like $5 t-shirts. I just did inventory yesterday, and I could probably open up a t-shirt shop for as many as I have. I said I'm going to divide them. I'm going to do shirts, which sometimes when we go to churches, we either buy a shirt or they give us one, and I think I've got 12 of those. And then I got destination shirts, like one's got Sloppy Joe's and some different places like that. And then I've got some that are like this one here that are like location that you can find on a map. Because you can find destinations on a map too. You know what I mean? They're actually a city state, something like that, like Marco is. But the city, these I got like 16. Now we'll say Bar Harbor, I've got 3 of those because I got them on sale over 3 for $21 or something like that. Maybe it was 18. I get those pretty cheap. So I always try to look for cheap little shirts. And I was starting to collect hats, but if you've seen on my other videos, I don't wear a whole lot of hats. So I don't want a hat stack like that. And I actually have, I don't know, 15 at the RV, and you just get tired of, you can't find place for it. I did see some cool shirts here though, and maybe I'll post one of them there. So this road's not exactly smooth, and these little plastic wheels make quite a rattle. We got our old people hats on today. We're here at the Marco Island Beach. Had to park across the street there. It was $10 to park, well, the whole day. So actually pretty happy with that. Last place was $7 per hour. Yikes. We were there about 4 hours. Yeah, it gets expensive really quick. So we're gonna get on down here to the beach. Well, that's my rattle bucket. Boy, that thing's noisy. But it makes for great video. That's where we're head there. I'll get out to the beach. This is the South Public Entrance is what this is. I like it so far. It's real nice. Lots of places to park your bicycles. At the other end of it too. Bring bicycles next time maybe. Huh? Who knows? So this is probably one of the more crowded beaches we've been to since we've been here in Florida. As you can tell, sand is nice and white. A little more greeny here than most places. It says it's mostly shells. We're gonna find us a place in here somewhere. I mean, it is what, Thursday? I like the little plank here to walk out on. That makes it easier to roll your things. Like this thing. Yes, that's the sound of rain. She's getting wet. She don't want to get under the umbrella. I don't know why. It's definitely coming down. But it's a small dark cloud, so we're thinking it's going to move out of here before long, maybe 20 minutes or so. Yeah, basically it's trying to, the Gulf of Mexico was getting a little low on water, so they thought we'd add some. Tell you one thing for the rain when it comes to the beach, it cleans the place out a little bit. A whole lot less people here now than there was. There's still a lot of people that are starting to come back out. There's a whole lot, a ton, I won't say a whole again, because it just said whole. There's a ton of condos all the way up the beach here at Marco Island. But just went snorkeling. Didn't get to see anything there, not even a minnow. Actually don't see many birds out here either, which is a little troubling. I would like to see a few birds. It looks like it may start a little bit of a downpour again on us. We'll see. We didn't get a downpour hard enough to come through an umbrella, but still a nice day. A rainy day at the beach is better than a not so rainy day at work. I'm just telling you, it really is. Today's Thursday midday. Living out here living the coolest life. What else can we do? Well, that was a fun adventure to Marco Island. So now we're back here at the RV, and we're I was going to close out this video and invite you to check out the back of my rig. Isn't that cool? Don't look down there. Spot that right there. Yeah. Got that on the back. Put that on there. S is kind of crooked there, isn't it? Huh. Anyway, we think it looks good. it was we did get rained on while we was at Marco Island. However, it is beautiful. It's very high end. There's lots of big, giant, huge condos along that area. You can tell it's definitely a nice area. I really like the beaches. The beaches reminded me of Siesta Key, which we're going to go back to Siesta Key. Just the turquoise water and everything. Also reminded us of Hawaii while we were there. But hey, be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other videos. If you like videos like this, check out our playlist called Travels. I think it's called Travel to Places You've Been and Haven't Been, or something like that. But check out those videos. But I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life.